What if I told you that our bodies contain real rescue cells? When damage occurs in the body, Muse cells seem to receive like an SOS signal. They are able to detect the area which is needed to be helped and head straight for it. Imagine a repair crew that knows exactly where the problem is. Another unique feature of Muse cells is that they can transform in various cell types depending on the body's needs. And most important, in studies, they do not exhibit uncontrolled growth of the formation like a tumorous structure, which are characteristic of some other types of pluripotent cells. That is why Muse cells attracting significant interest in modern regenerative medicine. However, cell therapy is not suitable for everyone. First, a doctor must evaluate the diagnosis, test results, and the patient's overall condition. Schedule a consultation on stem cells to find out if this approach is an option for you.